I got a little bounce, no offense. Got a little tax, know that I'm blessed. I put a little snag, I cannot vex. They making a mad, I put my zen. I got a protect for lead. Stones the weather the grid. My neck slows and spin. My palm the fastest spin. I got money, we gon'
Right here, y'all. This right here, crazy.
Oh!
But listen, man. Say that again, man. What is good, YouTube? Welcome back, JDI Family, to another vlog. Before we start, shout out to everybody that's part of Naughty Gang. If you're part of Naughty Gang, drop a Naughty Gang down in the comments and let me know if you're part of Naughty Gang, you feel me? Make sure y'all go cop y'all JDI merch. Link is in the description, you feel me? I got some new hoodies on there, got some new items on there. Make sure y'all go check out the online website, you feel me? And get crazy. Make sure y'all go cop y'all merch, you feel me? You're not part of the JDI family if you don't got a JDI merch, you feel me? So make sure y'all go cop y'all merch today. Link is in the description. All right, remember how I told you guys I didn't know what I wanted to do? If I wanted to send my old cylinder out to get fixed or buy a new one. I came to a decision to buy a brand new one, you feel me? I found a brand new one for a decent price. It wasn't cheap, it wasn't a lot. I found one for a decent price, you feel me? A brand new one, and it came today. So I got a brand new cylinder. I got a brand new piston and rings, gaskets, all that. We putting everything on the bike today. I got all my brand new parts right here, y'all. All right, so I got my top end, piston, rings, gaskets all over there. Got brand new oil, countershaft seal, filter. I didn't even open it yet. I did disassemble my other cylinder. I had to take off the little stubs up here, and I had to take out my power valves. My 125 was blowing plugs something crazy because my power valves was all caked up. Y'all should have seen it. If you guys keep up with me on Instagram, y'all would have seen it. I posted like a little video on IG. So if you guys ain't following me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is down in the description. Make sure y'all click that link. Click follow if you don't already follow me. Make sure y'all keeping up with me, you feel me? I did disassemble my old one, you feel me? I had to take everything off of it because it has to go onto the new one. So let's get this new one open and see what it look like, you feel me? Whew, listen, OEM, y'all see that? Yamaha. Let me tap the screen so it can focus. Listen, Yamaha. Straight OEM parts for my bike. You feel me? Straight OEM. I'm not, you feel me? Standard, everything. This is brand new piston, ring. It's all OEM. Oh, fresh. It's about to be hitting like a brand new 125 when I put it back together. It better. Oh, it came with a nice little. Okay. All right. Oh my God. Look at this cylinder. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, this is some heat. This is some heat. This is some heat. Oh my God. Brand new. Y'all see this? Brand new. It's brand new. I ain't gonna hold y'all. This cylinder ran me $530. No cap. I'm broke. So if you guys wanna, you feel me? Go cop some merch, you feel me? Help me get back on my feet. You know what I mean? I would really appreciate it, you feel me? I'm broke. I just spent $500 on the cylinder. I don't got no more money, y'all. Y'all gotta help me. Make sure y'all go cop the merch, you feel me? I got some new merch on there. Make sure y'all go check it out. Link is in the description. But listen, we got the brand new cylinder, you feel me? We about to be lit. I'm about to show y'all a comparison to the, oh my God, whoa. Whoa. Look at this, look at this. Look at this. Hold on. Side by side. Let's do side by side right now. Side by side. Right here. Side by side. Y'all see, just look at the inside of that. Look at the inside of that. Oh my God. Look at the inside of that. Look at the inside of that. Oh my God. Look at the inside of that. Look at the inside of that. Oh my God. Yo, this joint is about to hit like a brand new bike, I'm telling y'all. I don't want to waste y'all time because I don't have too much time because I do got to go to work. So we are going to start putting this bike together, you feel me? We're gonna see how fast I can do it, you feel me? We got a lot to do, y'all. We got a lot to do in a short amount of time. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video, start putting the bike together. Before we go, I gotta You know what I mean? I gotta give y'all a piece of sushi because you guys are loyal and y'all look hungry. You feel me? You look hungry, bro. No cap, you dead look hungry, bro. So here, listen, open up, bro. Here. You're doing good, right? I'm telling y'all, this sushi go crazy. Yo, if y'all don't eat sushi, something wrong with you. Listen. I'm telling you, go cop your JDI merch right now, bro. You bugging. Nah, but let's jump into the video. right, y'all. So we are going to finish the video off right there. I do have nearly everything on the top end. I got the piston on there. I got my cylinder. I also repacked my silencer with new packing, and I want to see how it sounds. As y'all can see, we got that brand new cylinder on there. Y'all can tell that's brand new. You feel me? That everything in there is brand new. We almost ready. Anyway, we're gonna finish the bike up tomorrow, start her up, and see how she runs. You feel me? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. You feel me? Make sure y'all hit the like button, make sure y'all notifications on, and I will see you guys in the next vlog, y'all. Peace.